Okay, so this is some Sprayway, I'll get the number here, SW203 Rubber Roller and Cleaner Rejuvenator. Cleans and rejuvenates ink-laden rubber rollers, like would be on any old typewriter. And more amazingly, too, is, yeah, okay, I'm in the typewriter hobby, I clean them, mine and all that, but that I went to Best Buy and they sell, of course, printers for computers all day long, and that they don't sell some kind of a roller for a cleaner there for their printers. So my dad's got a printer upstairs, and it was just disgusting. All the ink and no way to clean it. People just pop out ink cartridges in copiers for their computers and never clean the rollers in the back. Yeah, you turn a handle and slide across a corona wire when you got to clean that, but nobody ever gets in there. They don't sell. Look at this. This is on a typewriter Platen, but unless you know a product like Rubber Roller Cleaner Rejuvenator even exists, you're gonna be certainly not cleaning out your printer rollers. People just assume, I suppose, that the printer's ink cartridge is time to change. Well, that's bunk. And for a few bucks, you get a can like that. It'll last you, well, quite a long time because you're only cleaning rollers off. But this is just to give you an example, not necessarily of this is just one example, is cleaning a typewriter's Platen. It's got rollers under there too. I mean, you don't have to stop there. You can clean the paper bale ones on a typewriter. You got your under roller for under the Platen if you were feeding the sheet through. But everything has got rubber. So so I go back to the copier, scanner, printer, and it's internally inside. So it's hard to explain, I guess, but not really. You get inside there and use lint-free. I listened to Joe Van Cleef on the typewriter. He does a typewriter show, and he was suggesting mascara brushes like they sell at the beauty store for cleaning these kinds of things. And I, of course, watched other videos on there too, and there were some old technician videos for adding machines and things. But the whole idea of going lint-free with these are ladies' lint-free nail wipes. But it's the whole thing about the lint-free, where a cotton-tipped applicator, I took this pack from work, they're on long sticks, but they leave the fuzzy residue, and so do your everyday Q-tips. So if you go lint-free with a wipe, there's no residue. You can wipe this. You can wipe inside your printer. You don't have to worry about leaving cotton in there. So anyways, where I'm going with this is, if anybody's got a care in the world about their printing qualities or typewriters or anything, I'm highly recommending you go get some Sprayway SW203 Rubber Roller Cleaner Rejuvenator. I ordered this stuff on the internet through Amazon. It's something you just can't get at Best Buy though, and it's a shame.